Hey fam, Jared Bear here, back for another adventure. Today's adventure, we're snake hunting. We are in a spot that is loaded with them. I've already seen 4. I got 3 of them on camera. Almost caught one, but it got away from me. But we will catch one. I can't believe I found 4 already. So hey, if you like fun, crazy adventures, you like haunted, spooky locations, hit that like, hit that subscribe, join the family, and let's get it. Check out what I found already. He is awesome. I'm gonna try to catch him. Wonder if he's sleeping. So I'll try to get a stick. Maybe we can pin his head down. Oh, that's funny. Look at these little chipmunks climbing in and out of the drain tube. His little head popped out. Man, there's another one, guys. Check him out. This place is loaded with snakes. So I wonder if I can get him. We'll try. Now, it has been a long time since I've caught a snake, guys. Let's see what we can do here. We're gonna try it. All right, guys. Yes, I agree. This is embarrassing. Come on, cut me a little slack, though. Like I said, I was nervous. It's been a while since I've caught a snake. But look, I mean, he's nice. He wasn't even aggressive at all. Shouldn't even have used the stick. Should have just went bare hand. Oh, where'd he go? Where is he at? So that was a fail. He kept getting his head out from underneath me. Okay, so we're back to this guy. Maybe we'll have better luck with him. Let's see. They seem pretty docile. Like, look how close you can get to them. Oh, there he goes. Well, he didn't want to go that way for some reason. I wonder if there's like a predator in there. What's down there? A bunch of them? You guys see? Oh man, guys, found another one. Got another one. Check him out. Man, he is cool, huh? Look at him. I can't believe how many snakes there are here. There is a ton of snakes here. Well, I didn't get him. He's a little too much stuff around him, but good sign. That's 3 snakes so far. We're gonna catch one. We will catch one. All right, guys, we got Jackie manning the camera. There's a snake right over here. Crap. Dagnabbit. He went right down in there. Probably none of it came up on camera, did it?
No.
I got his tail, but he just got sucked right back in. Dagnabbit.
He'll come out.
Yeah, they like this area here. So that's 5. That's 5 snakes so far. All right, guys, so a little time's passed now. We're going to do another sweep. Let's see if any more's come out. I really want to catch a snake for us. Man, so I have seen like 4 or 5 so far. There's 2 snakes. There's a little baby gardener. I didn't get to get him on camera. And then there was another water snake. And I didn't get to get him on camera. But I got it rolling now. So just in case we come up on any, be able to get them. Now, right in this area, there's been twice now. Oh, there he is. A little butterfly. I'm so disappointed I tried to pin that first snake's head down with a stick because he was actually pretty nice. I should have just went straight with my hands. So the next snake we come across, I'm going to go straight with the hands. That's right. Okay, I don't think I've walked down in here ever yet, so promising. It's promising. A lot of rocks for them to climb up on and stay warm. I think that's what they're doing. They're like out trying to sun right now. So they like getting out, sitting on a rock or a log, soaking up the sun just like you and I. Only I don't think they burn. Should we go under here, guys? Maybe there'll be one lake swimming. Water's not bad. Okay, this might be a good spot. You see any on these rocks? Darn it. Alright, let's keep hunting. We'll keep on hunting. What a beautiful area. It really is. You know what I like to wear while snake hunting? Crocs. more snakies here. Snakies. Be a good snake. Be a good snake. I will be very sad, guys, if I don't get to catch a snake before we leave. But if I don't, now that I know there's that many snakes in this area, I'll come back another day. Right now, there's a Vacation Bible School just ended, so our church is having like a party at the Sevenkin Lake. So there's a lot of people around too. So like when we first got here, that's when I was seeing all the snakes. I've checked a couple times since then. I'll show you the big area here in a minute, how many people are playing. How pretty those are. What's that down there? Nope. False alarm. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's adventure. If you like fun, crazy adventures, you like spooky, haunted stuff, hit that like, hit that subscribe, join the family. Until next time, peace, love you.